Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Myra Amjad. Welcome to Century Press and Publisher. Dear students, are you enjoying? Very good. Because learning is such a great activity. And today I will teach you some more phonic sounds. Yes, आपको पता है ना phonic sounds क्या होते हैं? The sound of two-letter words that we use in our words. Okay? Specifically at the end of the word. Okay? यानी कि हम अपने words के last में जो two letters के sounds को use करते हैं वो phonic sounds होते हैं. So आज हमने बहुत सारे phonic sounds को पढ़ना है और देखना है कि how we are using these sounds in our words. So let's start. Look at your page. Here you can see the first sound is sound of A and G, which is ag. Okay? A and G is ag. Like we are using this sound in flag, rag, bag, tag. Okay? And the next sound is am, okay? And we are using it in ram, dam, jam and yam. Okay? Next sound is app. Sound of A and P, app. So we are using this sound in map, tap, cap, shape. Okay? Next is the sound of I and P, ip. Okay? And we are using this sound in different words like tip, zip, lip and ship. So इसी तरह से आपने इन तमाम sounds की practice करनी है और देखना है कौन से word में कौन सा sound use हो रहा है. Now move to our activity. Let's do this activity and see that which sound is used in this word. First one is, yes, it is cap. And what is the sound? App. Okay? So आपने यहाँ पे app लिखना है. Next one is bag. Okay? So what is the sound? It's the sound of ag. Means ag, ag. So you have to write ag here. Next is jam. Okay? Jam. And the sound is am. Next is tap. Tap. And the sound is app. So you have to write ap, app here. Next is tip. And the sound is ip, ip. So you have to write ip here. Next is lip. Lip. Same sound ip will be added here. Next is map. Map. And the sound is app. ap, app. So you have to write ap here. Next is flag. Flag. And the sound is ag, ag. Ag. So यहाँ पे आपने ag, ag लिखना है. Next is dam. Dam. What is the sound? Am. Yes, you have to write am here. Very good. So इसी तरह से आप अपने sounds को revise कर सकते हैं. Okay? You have to find out the sounds and you have to recognize what kind of sound is using in the words. Okay students, आपने इनको अच्छी तरह से practice करना है. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखना है. Keep learning. Allah Hafiz.